Be an informed older adult, mastering news apps and the world with your eyes. My Golden Spring.
Good day, information seekers.
In today's digital age, staying informed is key. Let's navigate the world of news apps and filters together. News apps bring the world to your fingertips.
From global events to local stories, everything is just a tap away.
Customize your feed. You can choose the sources you trust and the topics that interest you. It's like creating your newspaper. Are you overwhelmed by the news? Use filters to avoid information overload.
Focus on what matters to you.
Stay alert with notifications. Get breaking news or updates on topics you follow so you never miss out. Remember, not all news is created equal. Fact check and verify sources. Be a savvy consumer of information. Engage with the news. Comment, share, or participate in polls. Your opinion matters in this digital discussion. And when the world gets too loud, don't forget to take a break. Step back, breathe, and return when you're ready. Informed, but balanced.